Sahelanthropus tchadensis is a crucial species in the study of human evolution, representing one of the earliest potential members of the human family tree. Its discovery significantly pushed back the timeline for the divergence of the human lineage from that of chimpanzees. Discovery and dating discovery. The first fossils of Sahelanthropus tchadensis were discovered in 2001 by a team led by French paleontologist Michel Brunet in the Jurab Desert of northern Chad. This discovery was particularly notable as it was the first significant early hominin find outside of East or South Africa, nicknamed Tumi. The most complete fossil is a cranium, affectionately nicknamed Tumi, which means hope of life. In the local Guran language, age. The fossils are dated to between 7 and 6 million years ago, placing it firmly in the late Miocene epoch. This time frame is critical because it falls very close to the estimated period, when the human and chimpanzee lineages are thought to have diverged. Key features and evolutionary significance. Sahelanthropus tchadensis presents a mosaic of ape-like and human-like features, which is why its exact position in the human family tree is still debated among scientists. Brain size. Its brain size was quite small, comparable to that of a chimpanzee. This is an ape-like characteristic. Facial features. While it had very prominent brow ridges, its face was relatively flat compared to other apes, and the middle part of its face was short. Dental features. Sahelanthropus possessed smaller canine teeth than typical apes, which is a more human-like trait, and suggests a shift in diet or social behavior. Foramen magnum. Perhaps the most debated feature related to its hominin status is the position of its foramen magnum. This is the large opening at the base of the skull, where the spinal cord connects to the brain. In apes, it's typically positioned towards the back, indicating a quadrupedal posture. In Sahelanthropus, its position is more forward, which is often interpreted as evidence for bipedalism. However, this interpretation is still contested by some researchers who argue that the evidence is not conclusive, and that the skull might have been distorted during fossilization. There are also ongoing debates about associated limb bones and whether they definitively support bipedalism, habitat, and diet. Based on associated fossilized animal remains found at the site, Sahelanthropus tchadensis likely lived in a mosaic environment that included forests, grasslands, and proximity to an ancient lake. Its diet probably consisted of fruits, leaves, and other plant materials, similar to forest-dwelling apes.